show you a little video. I want you to pay attention to the light beyond that door and how it's blinking. This is what I came into work to on Wednesday morning. So after that, I talked to the ghosts a little bit and asked them, if you guys want to talk to me, help me out here. It's just a blinking light. So I came back, used the restroom. When I came out, this is what I saw. So help me out here. My electrician friends, you know who you are. Is that normal? Do those bulbs do that? Because I've seen them flicker a little bit. I've never seen them try to talk to me in Morse code.